Hey guys, welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. So, today I will be doing a dance tutorial on how to do the suburban cradles dance on TikTok. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, D. Bayak, for being the first one to request it. Alright, so let's jump right into it. I'm gonna make it as easy as possible for you guys, so that you can easily follow along. Alright, so what I want you to start practicing is just doing 3 jumps on your left leg. So we're gonna do jump, jump, jump. Yeah, so you're jumping on one leg, on your left. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Jump, jump, jump. Now, I bet all of you can do this. So what I want you to do next is practice with your right leg, sitting in, yeah, so you step in here, tapping with your toes, and then on your heel, and then on your toes. Yeah, so it's toe, heel, toe. Let's try that. Just the right leg. So 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel, toes. And 5, 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, toe. That's time. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, alright, so now let's try to combine it. So we're gonna say jump. Let's just try that again. So we're going toes, now we're jumping, now heel, and then the last jump, toe. Okay, let's try that again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, heel, jump. And 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel, toes. 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel, toes. Alright, so you did toes, heel, toes. Now, the next step is still jumping on your left, but now you want to say kick it. Yeah, so you're kicking your right leg up here. Now, I know in the dance they do kicks all the way up here, but for practicing purposes, let's just keep it down here for now. Yeah? So, from here, you want to say kick and jump. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. One at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. Now, what I want you to do next is say switch. So, right now you're on your left leg. What you want to do is say switch. Yeah, so you're jumping now on your right leg, kicking your left. Let's try that again. We're going from here to say switch. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, switch. Alright, let's try to take it from the top. So we're gonna do toe, heel, toes, and jump, switch. Okay, so from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel, toes. Now new part, kick and switch. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel, toes. Now, kick and switch. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel, toes, and kick, switch. Alright, so now it gets a bit trickier. You just said switch here. Now basically what you're doing is just kicking your right back and jumping on your left like that. Yeah, so I went from here, switch, and then I'm saying kick and jump. Yeah, so it's basically just doing this. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. Now the tricky part is that you wanna try to rotate a bit while you're doing this. So you say here instead. Yeah? Some turn more like that, but you can just keep it simple and say turn to, for instance, here. Yeah? Let's just try that. Just try to rotate a bit. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. Let's try that again. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. Okay. So once you've said, I'm just gonna show it here on the spot. Once you've said kicking it back, you want to kick it out again, so you want to say up. Yeah, so you're just kicking your right to the front. Yeah, you're doing a small jump with your left here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. So let's just try to do jump, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump and jump. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump and jump. And as I said before, just try to keep it small here in the beginning. You don't have to exaggerate yet. Again, from here, jump and jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, jump. Okay, so now try to do this while you're rotating. So from here, you want to say jump, jump. Let's try that again. Just rotate as much as you can. If you can only do it here, then it's fine. You just do it like that. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rotate, rotate. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rotate, rotate. Now you want to do one last jump on your right, like that. Yeah. So top. I'm just gonna show you from here. I'm simply kick back to the front. Now jump on your right while kicking your left here to the side. And then you just wanna land it back down. Let's try that again. So from here, you wanna say kick back to the front, jump on your right, and then down. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, front, right, and down. Actually, let's do one last time. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick back, to the front, jump on your right, and down. All right, let's try to take it from the tip to top. So I'm just gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. All right, so quick recap. We did toes, heel, toes, kick, switch, back, front, on your right, down. All right, now let's try to take it slow. So we're starting on our toes, jumping heel, jumping toes. Now get ready to kick and then switch, switch. Now kick back to right, jumping on your left. And then you want to say kick, jumping on the same leg. I'm jumping on your right. Put your left down. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Toes, heel, toes. Get ready to kick, kick. Now switch. Get ready to kick back, back to the front. Jumping on your right and down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toes, heel, toes. Get ready to kick, kick, switch, kick back, kick to the front, jump on your right and down. Boom. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly explain the arms. I mean, obviously you can put your own flavor into it, but here's what I do. So I'm saying twist, so when I do this, I'm twisting my body, and at the same time my arms are swinging from side to side. Yeah, so here, my right arm is swinging up to my right side when I do the toes, and then the opposite here, when I do heel, toe. Yeah, so it's tap, tap, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, tap, tap. Alright, so from here, you just do whatever with your arms freestyle, yeah, the same here. And then kick to the front, jumping on your right. From here, you want to say, as if you're whipping an 8-8, you want to do arm up like this. So as if you're flexing, hey, and then you want to bring it down. Either you can bring it down here or down here. Yeah, up to you. So let's just try that again. Arms are whoop, 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 whatever, 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 whatever. Jump, nearly down. All right, so from here or down here, you want to say take the other arm and go cross. Yeah, so you just did whoop and nine, and then you want to say cross. From here, you want to say jump and cross your legs like that, and then you want to bring your arms up and turn around and point. So I'm just gonna do that again slowly. So from here, nay nay, whoop. You wanna say down, jump across, turn around, bring your arms up, and then you wanna say point. Again. So with a nay nay. Then you wanna say down, jump across, bring your arms up, around, point. Alright guys, let's try the whole thing from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so starting with toe, heel, toe. So toe, heel, toes, kick, switch, back, front, right, nay nay, down, cross, up, then up, point. Alright, let's go a bit slower. So we're gonna start on our toes. So 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel, toes again. Get ready to kick, kick. Now the other leg, whoop. Get ready to kick back, whoop. To the front, whoop. Jump on your right. Bring your left down, sorry, the nay as well. And then you want to say left arm cross. Get ready to jump cross. Pull your arms up, turn around, get ready to point. Down. Let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel, toes, kick, the other leg, kick back, kick to the front, jump on your right, bring it down, and nay, left arm, jump across, arms up, turn around, point. Alright guys, let's try it one last time. Remember, you can always go back and rewatch some stuff, or if you want to change the speed, either go slower or faster, up to you. So 5, 6, 7, 8, toes, heel, toes, kick, the other leg, back, up, jump, down, cross, jump cross, up, and down. Like I mentioned in the beginning, you can always exaggerate after you've practiced this 1,000 times and you know how to do it while keeping it small. You can always exaggerate afterwards. Yeah? Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the suburban cradles dance on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.